A home should feel like a story, one that blends history, personality, and comfort into a space you truly love. And this home, it tells a beautiful one, with vintage Nanyang vibes and a modern-day functionality. It's warm, welcoming, and full of character. Let's take a tour. Step inside, and you instantly feel the relaxed, villa-like charm. Cool terrazzo flooring keeps things breezy, while warm wooden textures add a cozy touch. Huge windows let it loads of natural light, making it a perfect spot to chill with a morning coffee or unwind in the evening. Here's where things get interesting. The dining area feels open and spacious, thanks to some clever space planning. And check this out, there's a hidden wooden door behind the dining area. It's a fun little texture that adds a bit of mystery and charm to the home. This kitchen went from an old, cramped space to a stylish and practical dream. Soft green cabinets, warm wooden accents, and an open layout make it both functional and calming. Knocking down a door even created more space for storage and laundry, practical and pretty. And that display shelf, the perfect spot for the homeowner's favorite pieces. Hallways don't have to be boring. What used to be a plain, white corridor is now fun, school-inspired walkway that brings energy and personality into the home. It also connects to the kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom seamlessly, making everything feel more open and inviting. The bathroom got a major glow up by combining two small cubicles into one spacious retreat. Green and grey terrazzo tiles give it a unique, stylish look, while the wooden sink cabinets and round wood frame mirror add warmth and contrast. It's fresh, functional, and full of character. Bedroom is designed for comfort with a touch of nostalgia. The original parquet flooring keeps its vintage charm, while the expanded layout makes the space feel even more open. A hidden wooden door adds a fun and unexpected feature, and the custom wardrobe with the built-in spotlights is both stylish and practical for nighttime use. Tying it all together is the feature wall wrapped in chroma leavings carved from home wallpaper, adding a warm and personal touch. This home proved that you can have best of both worlds, timeless Southeast Asian heritage and all comfort of modern living. Every detail was thoughtfully designed to make everyday life both beautiful and functional. Hope you enjoyed this tour. If you like this video, feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.